Ranchod Das Chachar from Three Idiots that I don't want to work in an IT firm, but I want to build an IT firm.
I built the entire website for taking around 3 or 4 days. And to be frankly speaking, for scalable, you don't need employees. You need team.
Okay, welcome to Business Matter Podcast, and today we are having Mr. Saurabh Sharma from Squabby Technologies. First, I would like to welcome you here.
Thank you.
Thank you for being here. All right. So before we start in the questionnaire, can you please help us a crisp brief about your company, Squabby Technologies?
Okay, so actually, Square Technology is none other than just a normal IT company. We do app development, web development. Just we have expertise on it, and as well as we are affordable, not cheap, but we are affordable at this moment in the market. So we provide quality solution, but in affordable prices. We are not just focusing on just getting project कोई भी कर लो कोई भी प्रोजेक्ट कर लो वो वाला नहीं एक अफोर्डेबल सॉल्यूशन विच इज रिलायबल आल्सो वी आर नॉट doing only just tech stack की कोई भी project है किसी भी tech stack में we are just expertise on the food delivery e-commerce segment taxi booking segments and ERP solutions so that's all about us.
All right. So, Mr. Saurabh, can you please help us to know what inspired you to start this business?
So back in 2016 I was doing just normal school life and I was just on that time 16-year-old. I'm just 25-year-old right now.
Oh my
And
God.
I'm owning 3 companies as CTO and serving to the 6 companies total as Chief Technology Officer, Field CTO. So on that time, I was just surfing the internet on cyber cafes and just seeing the website, and I thought it will be crazy to start. And then I started learning from YouTube and Udemy. On that time, I think it's not there Udemy, but there is a 2 3 YouTube channel that I started learning. And my first client is from USA. So she's a student and she have a very limited budget. It's just $5.
$5.
Yeah, which is nearly 150 rupees for Indian rupees.
Yeah.
And I built the entire website for taking around 3 or 4 days. And I was making the XML blogger website. It take a lot time, and I was like I deliver that quality on that moment, and then I realized like if you deliver the quality, they will be returned back to us, and they are now the like you can say one of our best client because she has a 2 business successfully, and we are managing entire IT for them.
Wow, wonderful. All right. So, Mr. Saurabh, as you mentioned your age and you mentioned that how early you have started this thing. We would love to know that what brings the motivation that I don't want to work in an IT firm, but I want to build an IT firm. What was the motivation behind?
I don't know. It's just naturally I came with this like कि IT में कुछ तो करना है, start करते हैं, and then I started building the team. So I don't have employees. I have a team, which is like you can say my co-founder is Zabi. There is a team member Ajay Antwal. He's from Uttarakhand. So we have a team. We don't have employees. We didn't care about people like when they join, what they are doing. We are just taking care like you have this task, you have to complete this task, and you have a full responsibility.
Full responsibility.
Yeah. So we are kind of a team, not an employee. And
Wow,
managers.
wow, wonderful. All right. So, can you please help us to know that what strategies you have worked to scaling up your business?
Referral is the best strategy, I think,
Referral.
and word of mouth. So most of our client are word of mouth because we deliver the quality. So people recommending us like, hey, can you please ping this person? They will be give you the quality. They will be give you the affordable prices, not the cheap. Many people is just came on my Fiverr. I'm the pro freelancer on Fiverr, which is very rarely like in India we have 100 freelancer in Fiverr, which is pro. So many people came, hey, someone is delivering in just in 500 hours. Like, please go ahead. And then after 6 months, hey, our system is down. I said, I told you.
Wow. So, you're delivering quality in a very pocket friendly way.
Yeah, in a pocket friendly. So we have a two type of system. We have one we call service based and second we call pre-made. So pre-made is something if you want to launch your Zomato clone, you can launch under 4 lakh rupees.
The 4 lakh rupees. Wow. Wow, wonderful. Okay, so as you mentioned that you started this venture in a very early stage. So what are the challenges that you face and what lessons that you have built from that and what was the learning from that phase?
So my first challenge is about age actually. The people didn't trust early age like
16-year-old
16-17 साल का तो बच्चा है ये. And I was dropped from my school. Like I was full time working only on this business.
Wow.
So I did complete my 10th, 12th also from NIUS, open schooling, and I was completely working on this.
Very inspiring. Okay, so as you mentioned that you are into very much into techie world. right?
वो स्टारबक्स के कोने में बैठे होते हैं ना लोग, आई एम दैट कोने वाला पर्सन.
But you already mentioned that you have dropped out from your school, you haven't done your college or some sort of
True.
thing. So how did you get this knowledge? How did you get this education to know about coding, to learn about this?
Education is available everywhere in internet. You will be get every education. People are starting learning from chat gpt. They are trying to crack interviews from chat gpt. I'm from that time जब स्टैक और फ्लो भी लोड होने में 5 सेकंड लगते, तो आई वाज लाइक इस लिंक पे क्लिक करना है तो 10 सेकंड वेट करना पड़ेगा भाई तेरे को. I was starting from Java, the core Java, and then I was started building Android, iOS, and I was currently I know around 20 plus technologies.
20 plus technologies.
I know. I'm
Wow.
managing a lot teams, and I know the technology. And to be frankly speaking, for scalable, you don't need employees. You
Uh-huh.
need team.
Yes, you need team. Okay, so the technologies that you already know, you have done your basics from yourself, or you have done some
No.
coaching sort of a thing?
I completely learn from myself. Yes, there are YouTube channel, and there are some courses which is like Udemy course and few other courses platform that I took on, but most of them like self learning. स्टार्ट करना है, कुछ खुद से बनाते हैं, कुछ हेलो वर्ड बना लेते हैं, कुछ छोटा सा एक प्रोजेक्ट बना लेते हैं, मिनी प्रोजेक्ट, एंड देन obviously trial and error are came out of it.
Okay, in the early stages when people were not trusting you, when there was no business, when there was no clients, how did you keep yourself motivated? Of course, that idea should be there. Okay, let's just drop it and let's just join a normal life. Let's just have a college life. What was the time? What motivates you? You know, Saurabh, just stick into it and we'll make out of it.
It's by luck, I think.
By
मेरे
luck.
को by luck, I got the reviews, I got the clients,
The clients.
and as well as I got the work. So
Hmm.
people are really whatever I'm connected. Most people are just like उनका 5% 6% retention rate रहता है if you're converting the sales. I have a 50%.
50%.
If someone is directly connecting me, there are very high chance they will be either give me the project, either the project is going on some budget issue. There is a two issues only I'm getting.
Okay, Mr. Saurabh, it was so inspiring talking to you. One last question I would ask. Okay, so there are so many youngsters who are watching this podcast, and there are so many techies who are going to watch this. So, what advice would you like to give so that they can be on the path that you are already on?
So advice is, I can say, if you want to start on tech, just don't use ChatGPT.
Okay.
बिकॉज ये आपको ना एक सर्टन अमाउंट में सोचने का पावर ही खत्म कर देता है एंड ऑफ द डे में आके. आई टिल द मोमेंट आई यूज चैट जीपीटी बट नॉट फॉर मोर ओवर. आई स्टिल लर्न फ्रॉम स्टैक ओवरफ्लो, अदर प्लेटफॉर्म्स, ताकि कुछ खुद से एरर डिफाइन करते हैं ना, खुद से चेक करते हैं व्हाई दिस एरर इज केम, खुद से उसको फिक्स करते हैं. सो दैट्स समथिंग आई एम डू.
Wow, wow, what an inspiring story. Last and final question, of course.
Sure.
In this era, in this generation where AI is taking a lot of challenges from itself, AI is taking the jobs, AI is taking the stacks, how you can ensure that your business is something which AI cannot even touch?
AI is not taking job. AI is taking job who didn't able to use AI.
Mm-hmm.
That's the main thing. So you have to use AI in a certain way. You have to, like, कुछ लोग मैंने देखे हैं, they are just building the code from using AI, and उसके बाद रिव्यू करना ही भूल गए, आगे पीआर में जाके सीनियर्स के पास अटक गए. I'm like, क्या कर रहे हो? पहले रिव्यू करना है. We have to review manually. That's the entire.
All right, this is our for this podcast. And one more thing I would like to mention: this is the first one we are meeting in physical manner with someone who's more in like Ranchor Das Chachar from Three Idiots. What an inspiring story! No education bounding, because in India people complain that we are someone who are out of jobs. We don't have jobs. We are jobless. There is no technologies, but we are having people like Saurabh who are building their own path, building their own companies, and now successfully sitting here.
Yeah. So I don't think so. कि in India we don't have job. We don't have the quality.
Yeah, quality. Thank you so much for inspiring us. And this is up for the podcast.